If you want to make stair like this in Sketchup, so please watch the video till end. I will show you the easy method to make this with in 5 minutes. Let's start. Rectangle, 11 by 7 inch. Select, move and click Ctrl for copy. Rectangle 1 by 1 inch. Arch, remove. Select, move. Control key for copy. X with 22 for steps. Rectangle. Remove the upper part. Push-pull to make some thickness. 5 feet. Line with 3 feet. Tape measure tools. And mark 3 feet. Line from here. Connect these to line. Rectangle. Remove. Select. Move. Control. 1.5 feet. X2. Line. Arch. If you enjoy this video, so please follow and subscribe for more videos.